Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be a video on how to possibly repair this little unit here. This is a Intellishock 10 by Premier One Cell. I don't think Premier actually makes this thing. I think it's made by somebody else, probably somebody overseas, and they just slap, make it for them, slap their sticker on there. But anyways, I don't think that they make it themselves. I could be wrong. And I don't even know if this unit is technically designed to be fixed. I think it's a throwaway deal, or if it's in a warranty, to swap it out. But we're going to take a look at it for a customer, see what we can do. If you got one to send to us, send it on in with paperwork. Yeah, don't forget your note. Okay, well, this is made in Germany, so somebody over there is making one for them. Alright, well, let's, dang, they didn't send the freaking power cord for this dumb thing. How am I supposed to power it up without it? Well, shoot. This is pulled open. It's probably 12 volt. 12 volt. Maybe we can figure out the polarity on the end. I don't have the little adapter for this. Maybe I can make one. Maybe I've got something over here that will work. I don't know. Let's just take it. The note says that it was shorted out for quite a while and they didn't realize it. And this is only putting out 2 kV. So it sounds like it's probably a transformer's probably gone bad. There's the transformer. Little circuit board. Transformer pulls right out, so I think we have something that might fit this case. There's enough room in here. Might be able to retrofit something in there. A little bit of rod right there is for lightning protection for the arc from the fence side across here to the ground side, what that's for. Alright, see, we can apply power. We can put 12 volts right here, and then we'll test the output. So we can still power this up. But if you got cords for something, I may have the cords for it, I may not. But if you do, send that stuff along. Alright, let's put this over here. Put power here, and see what it does. Flashing. Barely hear it clicking, which I don't know how loud these things are supposed to be. Let me turn it off for a second. Let me get one little tester here. Let's put it across the terminals. Yeah, it's putting out 2,000 like they were saying. It's not very loud, so I don't know. I don't know if this thing's how loud this is supposed to be when it clicks, but it's not very loud. So what we'll do is we'll temper. I'll go find another transformer maybe that will work, fit in that case. Kind of a lot of surface mount crap on that board. Let's go grab another transformer. two transformers. And this black one here, and this one here. Let's unplug this transformer first. Well, that's too big. That sure is way too tall, yeah. Well, let's heck of it. Let's unplug the old transformer. Let's temporarily wire up. Let's try this one first. Okay, that's our fence and ground. It's right there. So let's hook this tester across here. Watch this. I'm going to hook the power back up to it. Alright, turn the power on. No better. So we got a board issue. So their transformer's fine. I'm pretty certain that they don't make parts for this. I think this is a little throwaway unit. I'll have to find out, but I'm pretty certain they don't. So, well, if I can go any further, I don't have any parts for these little things. They don't. This is the first one I've really ever came across, so I don't know. It's how strong is it? 1.3 joules. Alright, well, I'll have to make a phone call and see what we can get for it, if anything. If not, we're plumb out of luck. So there's our information. If you want to send us something to work on, send it on in here. We'll take a look at it for you. Fencerfixer.com is our website. cattlescalerepair.com is our other website. Repairs on cattle scales and load bars. And also EID tag readers for Gallagher's. We work on the true test stuff as well. So if you know anybody that's got that kind of stuff needs to be worked on, send it in here. Let's take a peek at it. Till next time, we'll see you later on. If I do indeed be able to get parts, because I will order parts, put it back together and fix it and everything, and then we'll test it. I'll do a video on that one. But right now, I think we're going to be stuck and not be able to get anything for this. Alright, bye.